Hey y'all, so today I'm going to finally try out this Hanna Pro Strength Powder by Proverbz. I'm going to start mixing this stuff up in a bowl and then let it sit for 4 hours, and then I'm going to try to put it in my hair as clean as I can and see what happens. Stay tuned. According to the instructions, this one, it says you can mix up to 1 to 3 teaspoons with water or aloe vera juice to make it into a paste. And then this could be added to your moisturizing deep conditioner of choice. And it says this is recommended for your first application. So this is exactly what I'm going to do for the first application. After I let this sit for 4 hours, I'm going to then mix my deep conditioner that I use into this. And then I will place it on my head. Also, just let you know, in case anyone is curious, I did use, come on, focus. I did mix about 2 tablespoons. Oh, that said teaspoon. I did 2 tablespoons. Oops. Girl, math, read. Okay, so after I did some conversions, technically I did 6 teaspoons of the henna. I was trying to follow the instructions, but I completely forgot that TSP is teaspoons, not tablespoons. So I grabbed the tablespoon and I did 2 tablespoons. So that's 6 teaspoons in total. So this is the mix. No wonder it was a lot. But this is the mixture. But you know what? It's okay, because I'm going to use it all anyway. Okay, so I just got done shampooing my hair and everything. So now it is time to apply the henna. Try to do it a little bit. I did put my deep conditioner in here and mix it all up. I got my gloves on because I was told by people who use henna to definitely wear gloves because it will stain your nails and your hands. So I'm gonna try to make this as mess free as possible. So let's get started. Ooh, chunky. Doing hair with gloves for me is so weird. I like to feel it. It looks like there's baby shit in my hands. Anyways, all right, let's start applying. No, I didn't section off my hair because I just did it. That's all right. I'm good at applying things without sectioning. I really hate that I'm not wearing gloves because I cannot feel that it's in my hair. I like feeling it spread. So I got 14 minutes on this camera. Don't worry. I'm gonna spread my hair though to make sure I can get it all in my hair. Make sure there's no strand left behind. But I'm pretty much applying it as if I'm applying a deep conditioner. I should have probably worn my towel on my shoulders. Oh well, I'll be okay. I know people probably like, oh my god, you're applying it so wrong. Yeah, well, I'm not a professional. I don't know how to look pretty when applying product to my hair. I don't know how these YouTubers do it. For me, when I do my hair, I'm like the most unflattering looking person because I make all kind of faces without knowing it, and I try to get certain angles and it just don't look good on camera. I could still smell the deep conditioner that I put in here, so at least that means I mixed it pretty good. That's probably why it's applying smoothly to my hair. Look at that permanent part for me constantly splitting my hair down the middle. Like how I wash my hair and it's still automatically, it was like, oh, we're gonna split down the middle. I think putting the deep conditioner in this is helping me not make a huge mess because it's so smooth. Plus, I'm in my kitchen right now because I wash my hair in the kitchen sink. So I guess that's also a reason why I'm trying to be more careful. So I think that the 2 tablespoons was definitely more than enough. I think next time when I try this, not if because I bought it. Next time when I try this, I'm going to do probably just 1 tablespoon instead. That way, because I think I made just like a little more than enough for my hair. Because it's like, my hair is not super thick. So it's like and it's not like long, like super long or anything. So I don't think I needed too much. Oh, that looks like I missed a whole spot right there. Put that in there. Get in there. Get in there. And that's the thing with like the back of your head as well. You can't see what the heck is going on in the back. You just put the stuff in your hair and hope for the best. So maybe 2 tablespoons was a good amount, because as I'm going and splitting my hair, I see there's a lot of spaces that I missed. I'm also not wearing my glasses, so it's a little difficult to see where everything is. That's why I'm like real close to the camera, because I'm trying to be able to see the best I can. Okay, well, you know what's funny? Now that I got these gloves on and I'm applying this, I will say it actually doesn't feel that bad when applying conditioner and whatnot to my hair, because it's like my nails and everything are not snagging. And I think I've seen like other people on YouTube where they do their whole like washing and styling process, they have gloves on. And I think it's for that reason as well, where they just don't want their fingernails or anything to snag their hair. Cause it's like, it's going on my hair pretty smoothly. And usually when I put stuff in my hair, my nails definitely, it definitely can snag here and there. Even if I cut them, they still snag a little bit. Did I miss this part? Because it kept falling out of my damn hair, out of the pack. Oh no, I think I got it. I'm trying to use every last little drop. I'm almost done. So yeah, I think, okay, I take that back. I think the 2 tablespoons definitely was enough for my hair. Ooh, don't fall in my eyes now. I don't need to be even more blind than I already am. Okay. Jeez. Look like I'm trying to make my hair blonde. Getting my edges. Getting my edges. I got another permanent part. Alright. Just making sure I get everything. Okay, I think I got every little strand that I could get that I was able to see. I went back, I split some more. Just trying to smooth it down, rake it through. I hope I got everything. or as much as I could. Alright, so the instructions on the bag says to let it sit 45 minutes to an hour. I didn't see anything about it saying put a heating cap on it or nothing, but I'm going to do it anyway because I'm just trying to keep the hair out of my face. Oh, I should have thought about that, right? Because how am I going to get this stuff in my... Okay. Maybe what I can do is I can get my scrunchie, put in a small ponytail, and then put the cap on, and whatever stains my hands get, it is what it is. So, 1 second. Okay, I got the scrunchie. So, let's put my hair up in like a loose ponytail. Alright, oh, my arms. Alright. Alright, so now my hair is in a ponytail, so let's take these levels off. I still got henna on my skin a little bit. It's alright. I know people said that it washes off after a while, but your nails are stained forever. So as long as it didn't get on my nails, I know they say, you know, your skin, it rinses off after a while, but your nails stain forever. So as long as I don't get it in my nails, I'll be alright. I'm washing my hands, my arms. Alright. Now, let's put the cap on. I could probably leave it like this, but I don't want to lay on anything and forget that I have henna in my hair, you know? So, there we go. Okay. Alright, so I have this. Now I'm going to let this sit in my hair for, I'll say 45 minutes. We'll do the minimum amount. And then I'm going to rinse it out, do my hair, and then I'll give y'all my first impression review. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back and I just finished washing my hair. So before I style my hair, I just wanted to, I guess, see what my hair looks like after the fact. Okay. So this is my hair after I wash it. I know I look insane, but for first impression, my hair still kind of looks the same. Like, I will say my hair feels a lot more curlier. Like, my curls feel a little tighter. I guess that's different, because even down here where, like, you see how I have, like, oh no, it's still the same. Never mind. It's still loose right here. I don't know. I don't get why that part's like that, but as for a different color, they say henna dyes your hair a little bit. Hold on, let me see if I can pick it up. Because I know I have like a gray hair. Look, there it is. At least in that area. So it looks like, oh, I'm holding my phone. It looks like the gray hair is maybe a hint of brown, but I don't know. I could just be seeing like the light reflection, because I was still able to tell where that gray was. I think it's still gray. I can't tell. What do y'all think? I gotta sneeze. Okay, so as a first impression, I don't know, because I've never used henna before, so I don't know how my hair is supposed to feel, but it's saying like it was a strengthening one, so I guess I'll see over time if my hair has less breakage. But I think he's supposed to use henna once a month. Someone tell me in the comments because I'm not sure. I'll just Google it. Yeah, or I'll just Google it. Like, it's no big deal. I'll probably just Google it. But as a first impression, I guess, like I said, some parts of my hair does feel like it's like super like shrunken, like, but I don't know. I think my hair's always been like that, so I can't really tell if my hair is better. I guess the only thing I can see is, or look for, is just how my hair behaves for the rest of the month of April. So, and I think next time, I'll probably just do the honey treatment on its own instead of mixing the deep conditioner in, just to see if there's a difference. If not, then I'll just do it the way I've been doing. I did it today. So, gosh. I used to do my hair though, but my fiance's in the damn shower and he locks the door, so I can't even go get my hair products. So I gotta stay like this. I hope my hair doesn't dry out completely. But so thank you all for watching. Let me know if you guys have used any kind of henna, and if you have any advice for me of how to make it better, please let me know in the comments. Until next time.